Hello everyone, this is A.THASNI from Department of Computer Science and Designing. Now we are going to see about the distance-based learning algorithm and KNN algorithm. In this, now we are going to see about use case study related to the recommendation system using the distance-based learning algorithm. Now the recommendation system use case will be the movie recommendation. Here we are going to take the scenario like, imagine you are a streaming service like Netflix. The platform wants to recommend movies that you might like based on your viewing history and preference. Here how KNN applies, we'll see. That is, one is through data collection. Data collection is nothing but each user represented as a point in a high dimensional space where each dimension corresponds to a feature, which is example generous watch ratings given viewing times. Next one is finding neighbors. When you log in, the system identifies K users who are most similar to you based on the distance metric. And the making recommendations are the system analyzes the movies watched and highly rated by your nearest neighbors and recommends movies that you haven't seen yet but are popular among your neighbors. So here what are the benefits that we can see about the recommendation system. So here based on the use case on the movie recommendation, first one is personalization. The first benefit the personalization which recommendations are tailored to individual preferences. Next one the simplicity which is easy to understand and implement. What are the challenges that we are going to see in this recommendation system use? So one is scalability, like handling millions of users and movies can be computationally intensive. And next one is cold start problem. Here we have to see about the cold start problem, that is difficulty in recommending for new users with no history. Next one is customer segmentation for marketing. This is another use case that we are going to see related to the recommendation system. So in this scenario, we'll imagine that we are working for an e-commerce company and you want to send personalized marketing emails to your customers. So what we are going to see is like data collection and representation. Here, data collection and representation, which refers to, which is nothing but the gathering data on customers based on their purchase behavior, which is total spending, number of purchases and recency include. So, gathering data on customer based on their purchase behavior, which includes spending number of purchases and recency. And KNN in action is for each customer. KNN calculates the distance between them and their closest neighbors based on their purchase. Next one is segmentation and targeting. The algorithm classifies a new customer into one of the segments based on which group their closest neighbors belongs to. Example, high spending or infrequent shopper. There are two different K nearer neighbor. One is total spending, number of purchases. Another one is number of purchases. Okay. Here we are going to calculate total spend of number of purchases, and here only the number of purchases. Okay. Next one, we are going to take a data set of K for KNN algorithm, which refers to name, age, gender, and sport. Here we have a set of data set which related to Ajay, Mark, Sarah, Zaira, Sachin, Rahul, Pooja, etc. So here they have chosen all these sports except Sachin we are putting it as neither, and Pooja we are putting it as which is null value. Okay. Now we are going to find out for Angelina what she will choose, like KNN nearest neighboring. So based on what she will choose the which sport we have to find out. So the calculation will be normally the distance equation is normally which is the square root of x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square, that is Euclidean distance. and other distance like Manhattan distance and Minkowski distance, etc. Here our k value will be 3 and male will be 0, female will be 1. We have already seen that Ajay or male equal to 0 and age is 32. So based on this calculation we will get 27.02. So the prediction of k nearest algorithm, and based on the distance we will calculate, we will get the distance of the all this mainly with the sports and the age, based on the age. Okay. So here we will see the lowest thing, highest value, and which is the 9, 10, 10. So based on this distance, we will choose which one is the better one. Okay. So this is the main focus on the recommendation system and one of the scenario. So here Zaira's distance will be 9, we choose the cricket. Smith will be 10 and choose the cricket. Michael and we choose the cricket. So cricket will be the recommended sport that we are going to